All right, folks, buckle up. We're taking a righteous road trip, ditching the Camaro for a magic carpet to Central Asia. I'm talking about Afghanistan, a place where the flavor is off the hook. The street food scene is absolutely dynamite. Forget what you think you know. We're diving headfirst into a world of sizzling kebabs, savory dumplings, ice cream that'll make you say, "Holy moly, Stromboli." This ain't your average culinary tour. It's full throttle, no brakes. Every street corner has a story. Every bite is a flavor explosion. We're on a mission for the most authentic, mind-blowing eats. Meet the real rock stars of the kitchen. Street vendors slinging outrageous food. In Afghanistan, street food isn't just a quick bite. It's the lifeblood of the city, the real deal. It's where you feel the pulse of the community. Picture this. The sun is setting, the workday is done, and the streets come alive. Families, friends, co-workers. They gather, sharing stories and laughter over a plate of something delicious. This is more than just dinner. It's a daily ritual, a social hub where connections are made and strengthened. It's the town square, the community center, and the best restaurant in town all rolled into one. This is grassroots-level grub that brings everyone together, from the taxi driver to the shop owner. These street food stalls are the heart and soul of Afghan neighborhoods, institutions serving righteous recipes for decades. They source the freshest ingredients, plump tomatoes, fragrant herbs, the best cuts of meat. There's a pride in their work you can taste in every bite. When you hit the streets of Kabul, the first thing that's gonna grab you is the smell. Oh, that righteous aroma of sizzling meat hitting hot coals. That's the signature scent of the city. We're talking about kebabs, my friend, but not just any kebabs. Sikh kebab, ground lamb or beef mixed with onions and spices, molded on a skewer and grilled. Tikka kebab, tender lamb chunks marinated in yogurt, garlic, and herbs, grilled until juicy. Vendors fan the coals with cardboard, sending sparks and smoky perfume into the air. The meat is usually served on a piece of fresh, warm naan, which soaks up all those dynamite juices. Fresh onions, tomatoes, cilantro. The sauce, a simple but killer chutney made from yogurt. Mint, a little green chili. It's smoky, savory, fresh. Now roasted corn on the cob. Jawari garmak. Vendors roast corn over portable grills until slightly charred. They rub it with lime, sprinkle salt, dash red chili powder. The combo of sweet roasted corn, tangy lime, and savory salt is just out of bounds. All right, let's cruise west to the ancient city of Herat, a place with a whole different flavor profile. One of the shining stars is Shor Nakod. It starts with chickpeas soaked and boiled until perfectly tender. Vendor ladles warm chickpeas into a bowl and pours a tangy, vinegary dressing spiked with cilantro, mint, a sprinkle of red chili flakes, and boiled potato chunks for heft. It's savory, zesty, with a refreshing kick. Vendors are true artisans with big steaming pots on carts, serving lightning fast. Vegetarian, but packs a punch. A Herati classic. After your savory fix, cool down with shiryak, milk, sugar, rosewater, cardamom. Vendor spins and churns by hand, scraping frozen cream from the sides. Thick, creamy, stretchy, topped with crushed pistachios and almonds. Enjoying sheer yak in the shade of Herat's blue mosque connects you to centuries of tradition. Next stop, the vibrant city of Mazar-e-Sharif in the north. For food lovers, it's the capital of one beloved dish, mantu. Holy moly, folks. If you haven't had mantu, you are missing out. The dough is rolled out paper thin and filled with seasoned ground beef or lamb. Each dumpling is carefully pleated and sealed by hand, a labor of love. Vendors use big multi-tiered steamers, steam billowing out. People huddle around these carts waiting for fresh plates. First, a hearty lentil sauce, or a split pea sauce. Then a cool, creamy yogurt sauce, often swirled with garlic and a hint of mint. Finished with dried mint and a dash of red chili powder. A scoop of dumplings, a ladle of lentil sauce, a swirl of yogurt, and a flourish of mint. Eating mantu is a full-contact sport. Make sure every bite has dumpling, filling, lentils, and cool yogurt. Comfort food at its finest, elegant and incredibly satisfying. Mazar-e-Sharif has perfected the art. Now we're heading south to Kandahar, known for pomegranates, but also home to one of the most addicting street foods on the planet, bolani. Imagine a thin, crispy flatbread stuffed with all kinds of delicious fillings, rolled super thin, folded over, sealed, and fried to golden brown perfection. Classic fillings: gandana, a kind of leek, mashed potato, pumpkin, lentils. The vendor slides it into a wide, shallow pan. You can hear that sizzle from a block away. Fried both sides until bubbly, golden, and unbelievably crunchy. The vendor chops it up and that crunch is pure music. Served hot with a killer yogurt mint dipping sauce. The same you get with mantu and kebabs. You grab a piece, you dip it, and you take a bite. The crunch, then the soft, flavorful filling, a texture and flavor combo that's dynamite. Bolani is the ultimate social snack. Cheap, filling, and made with care. Vendors are masters of the craft, flipping for perfect even crispiness. Kandahar's Bolani, a crunchy, comforting slice of Afghan street food heaven. You can't talk about Afghan food without the king of the kitchen, the tandoor. This ain't your regular oven. A cylindrical clay oven used here for thousands of years. It reaches wicked high temperatures, the key to its magic. Naan slaps flattened dough onto the hot interior wall. In a minute it puffs up and cooks to perfection. Crispy outside, soft and chewy inside, with charred blisters you can't get any other way. They use a rafida to press dough and long hooks to pull finished bread out. A dangerous, graceful dance with fire. The tandoor isn't just for bread. It's the secret behind tandoori chicken, lamb, beef. Whole chickens marinated in yogurt and spices, skewered and lowered into the fiery pit. High heat seals juices and gives a smoky, crispy exterior you just can't replicate. In many neighborhoods, there's a communal tandoor, a hub where families bring dough and neighbors gather. The tandoor is tradition, community, and culinary power all in one. The results are out of bounds. It's a symbol of sustenance and tradition. The tandoor is, without a doubt, a culinary rock star. In Afghanistan, food is the universal language. It's how people show love, respect, hospitality. This spirit of generosity extends from the home right out onto the street. Vendors know their regulars by name. They ask about their families. During celebrations, the streets are even more vibrant. Special sweets and festive dishes everywhere. Families stroll the bazaars, treat themselves to favorite snacks. Sharing food, mantu with a friend, a piece of bolani with a stranger. Hospitality extends to outsiders. You might feel intimidated, but it disappears when you step up. Vendors are warm and happy to explain what they're making. Don't be surprised if you end up in a conversation and get local recommendations. Sharing a meal is the quickest way to make a new friend. It's a testament to warmth and resilience. Good, honest meals made with heart. More than sustenance. Food is social glue that holds the community together. So there you have it, folks. We've taken a whirlwind tour through the righteous, flavor-packed streets of Afghanistan, smoky kebabs of Kabul, crispy bolani of Kandahar, delicate mantu of Mazari Sharif, cool, creamy sheer yak of Herat. This is food bold, honest, and bursting with history and tradition. It engages all your senses, the sights, the sounds, those dynamite smells. Connecting with the people, vendors pour passion and heritage into every dish. Food is a universal language of welcome and friendship. Be adventurous. Ask questions, try things you can't pronounce. Let the food tell you its story. Your ticket to Afghan Flavor Town is ready. The grills are hot. The naan is fresh. The vendors are waiting to serve you. This has been a dynamite trip. The food was totally money. Until next time, peace out. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.